All right, I just got an exciting package in the mail. I think in this box are a couple of new CMC Captos that we have been anxiously awaiting to come out, and a boost strap and the soft shackles that go with the Capto. So this just came out, or just came to me, and I'm told that I'm one of the first few to get them, and they're coming out this fall. So let's unbox it and have a look. All right, gonna open it up. Got some packing material, and there we go. Capto number 1, Capto number 2, and the boost strap, and 2 soft shackles. They're kind of like gear loops to put on the Capto so that you could attach it to your harness. So that looks great. And this is the moment of truth right here. There it is. I was on the prototype tester about a year ago, a year and a half ago almost. And you know what? I loved it then, and I'm so excited to get it now. I love it now. It looks very much like a offspring of the clutch. 2 clicks, open it up, and the markings show how you install it on the rope. You have a built-in pulley right here and a cam that's designed to have a known operational limit. I'm not sure exactly where it slips at, but it will slip instead of blowing up the rope or the device, and that's a design feature of the Capto. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the CMC Capto. If you haven't seen or heard about this device, it's made by CMC. It is designed to be compatible with a CMC clutch or any other descender in that category. It takes the place of a mechanical rope grab or a prusik, carabiner, and pulley. So it's really easy, intuitive to open this up, install it on the main rope, throw a bite into the pulley area, close it up, and now I can reset it out, and I quickly have a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. It's very intuitive and easy to work with, and it takes the place of 3 pieces of equipment. I think everybody's going to love how intuitive it is. Also, you can really quickly throw it on a rope when you're descending and put a bite of rope in it, and you can ride with it, rapid ascent, descent. So also coupled with the boost strap, and you can move up the rope really fast. So this is such a versatile device. I think people are gonna love it, and I know I love it already. Okay, I could not wait to play with this for the class next week, so I set up a little demonstration in my backyard. I've got a little bit of weight on the line and a 1/2-inch clutch. I can go ahead and lower my load to the point wherever I want to lower and then stop, and say we'll rig for raise right now. I'll put it in the stop position. I'll get my Capto. Notice how it looks very similar. I've got a 1/2-inch clutch and I've got the red 1/2-inch Capto. Open it up. Notice that the diagram shows the connection point where the load connects or the rope connects. That's how we install it. Install. And on the pulley wheel, there's an arrow showing which way to wrap the rope. I'll wrap around there. I'll close the side plate, reset it out. I could reset it a long ways if I wanted to, but just for this demonstration, nice and short. Don't forget to take the clutch into the standby position and haul, reset. That's how quick and easy you get it into a 3-to-1. I could also put a pulley on here and a pulley in this becket and make a 5-to-1 out of it. Take it off, and now I can continue to lower. I don't know how much it's going to cost, and I don't know when it's actually going to be available for sale. I got lucky and I got 2 early. So there's the Capto. There's more to come.